Hello. Welcome to Adobe Illustrator Masterclass, Adobe Illustrator Complete Mega Course Beginner to Advanced. In the chapter number 22, we will learn how to create business card. Okay. In the previous chapter, we have learned each and every basic tool about advanced tool also and basic tool also. Everything we have practically knowledge about the how to use the basic tool. Okay, now this is the practically and I will show you how to create a business card like that. Just a minute. Like that, business card or invitation card you can design. How to create a invitation card, because the invitation card is the project work which you will get some project from the office or companies. So how to design a business card? This is the market. It's a demand to create a business card. Okay. So how to create a business card like that? Okay. This is the business card, and before we start the creating the business card, we need some company's logos also, and your name, contact number. Just a minute. Your name, contact number, your position, your contact number, your office email ID or website name also, and your address. Okay, just a basic requirement to create a business card like that. I have already created this business card, and I will show you the how to create this business card for you. So just go to new document, create a document. Just go to here, or you can create some new artboard like that. Just go to here, artboard tool, and create a new artboard from here. Okay, now just a minute, or open a new document like that, and common, and create a new artboard also here. Okay, so I will explain you how to create a business card. Before that, we need the size of business card. So I have searched in business card in Google size, about the business card size. This is the common business card size, 3.5 inch to 2 inch. Okay, and I will just go to Illustrator, and here we can design the business card. Before we can go to file and documents setup, and here you can choose your unit, which unit you have flexible on that. I am flexible with the inches. Okay, just go to here and create a one rectangle, and here the rectangle size, height and width you can change from here. 3 point, just minute, I will forget about 3.5 inch to 2 inch. Okay, this is the common business card size and default 3.5 inch and 2 inch. This is the default size of business card. Okay, now I want the sharp of edge like that. You can sharp this edge also, and just go to here, and you can design one logo. If your company have some logo, so you can design by using like that. I am just designing the logo, or you can design yourself also. And I want to make this one rectangle size. Just a minute, I want to just size increase, select this, and here select everything. Okay, and here is the hairline option. This is the corner option. This is the hairline option. This is the hairline option. This is the hairline option. This is the corner 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 option. This is Just a minute. Stroke size should be the 0. Okay. Now I want to make a one designing like that. Or you can use this tool to join this and pen tool to draw a like that, or you can make a manually like that. Just a minute. I want to connect this point to this point and this point. Just a minute. Connect this point to here, and here I want here one again. Control C, Control V. Here I want to connect this point should be, just a minute. Here, here. Okay. So this is the symbol of our companies. Okay. I want to be color should be another color. This, or this is the green color also. Okay. So this is the symbol I have designed. Just okay. This is the symbol. Okay. Now I want the company name. So get the type tool, and here we can type the company name. Like my company name is Chap Design. Chap Design. Okay. Now I want this tool. This D will be touch tool I am using, so that we can make a big size. Rotate also. So if you have a knowledge about the tool, we can design a logo also. Just a minute. I want to rotate this like that. I want logo like that. You have to increase this size or change the logo size. Just a minute. You have to increase the size of this. I want C to be edited. Touch type tool and increase the size like that. And I want using the some another font. This font I want. Where is the font? Revi. Okay. This tool. Okay. So this color, we can change the color also. Black color, no black color. Blue color I want. This is just for learning purpose I am designing, so you can understand how to work for business card. This C I want to be here, okay, and the size small like that, and the logo size I want to increase the size of logo. All we have to select everything. Just a minute. Increase the size, and I want to place this logo here, C and D also, okay. This D I want to select D, Control Z, just select your touch pen and copy this, Control V. Size should be decreased like that. I want to place over here, this, okay. So this is the logo I'm designed. This is the design logo, okay, and place this logo over here. And now I want to make my name over here, so just go to your type tool. Here your name, Paresh, my name is Paresh Mishra, okay. And also you can write here the position of job, so creative director, okay. Now I want to change the font. The simple font I want, Arial Paresh Mishra, and here also the Arial, okay. Now this is the name of me. This is the name. You can make a bold also like that, or change the font whatever you want. Just go to bold font. This is the bold, Paresh Mishra, creative director, okay. Now this is the delete. Here I want the symbol of like that. I want a phone number, address, email address, website name, and the location also. So you can, this symbol you can get from here also. Here just go to here and click here to get a symbol, whatever symbol you want. If you want the mobile symbol like that, or your address symbol, you can just press here, and here just make it. Here you can write your address, and your contact number symbol should be mobile symbol, just like this mobile symbol like that. You can make it here, okay. And we want here one vertical line, so get it line segment tool and create a one line here, and here you can write your address also. Here I want the address, just like J113 Abhijit apartment, New Delhi, okay, 01, yeah, 1001, 1001 like that. And address should be area like that, like that. Now I have a line but it's not showing because the stroke length is 0, like that. Okay, now here you can write your symbol as itself, like that. This symbol I have just copied. This is all the symbol I want. Is the bigger location, or this is the address symbol. So here I want, and this is the website name. So here you can write your website name here, like the name www.chapdesign.com. This is my address of my website. Select this website vertically, like that. Font size 7. Second one is okay, this symbol is not good, so I want this symbol over here, and here is my email address. So just copy this font, Ctrl C and Ctrl V, and here you can write your email address, like paresh@chapdesign.com. Okay, this is my address, email address. You can put over here, like that. Ctrl Z. Like that, or you can increase the size of this rectangle also, like that. I want this contact number symbol, Ctrl Z. I want this symbol, both the symbol, or only one symbol if you want, then put it here and delete this. Create one contact number 97894568. This is my contact number. Okay, like that. Okay, now background color you can change, like that, or something is different, or you can want this one also, it's good. Okay, so this is the final. You can modify yourself, you can learn from this Illustrator. If your logo is different, you can make a logo, like that. I have just explained you how to design one business card with the help of some basic tool. Okay, so do practice and learn more about the basic tool and advanced tool also, so that you will definitely get successfully. You can make a design this, like that, or you can make a click here, like that. So this is the final. Okay, and it's creative. Hopefully you will like this design. Thank you for watching.